Sorry, just working on a new book. But tell me, does technology sometimes make you feel lonely? You know, the average person is going to spend 5 years of their life looking at their phone. I mean, that's frightening. We're busy taking selfies instead of finding out what makes the self truly happy. We've revolutionized connecting to people all over the world, but we've forgotten how to connect to the person in the same room. We're concerned how many friends we have on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, but how many of those friends will be there for you in your hour of need? You know, our value is not determined by how many likes we get. It's determined by how many lives we change. So take most of those 5 years back. Serve a higher purpose. Honor each moment as a precious gift from God, because when it's gone, that moment is gone. So use technology for what you minimally need. Don't let technology use you. It's a ruthless master. So find your courage, take back ownership of your mind, and don't be afraid to unplug.